Good morning and Jai Hind. In today's video, we are going to cover the remaining portion of the poem Father Williams. So let us read the next stanza. You are old, said the youth, and your jaws are too weak for anything tougher than sooth. Yet you finished the goose with the bones and the beak. Pray, how did you manage to do it? So, again in this stanza, the son of Father William questioned him for his strong jaws. He asked him that in spite of such a old age, how he could manage to eat such hard things like goose with the bones and beak, which is quite hard to eat. Then how could Father William manage to eat these hard things, as it is very obvious that at an old age, it's as the jaws becomes quite weak, it becomes difficult for a person to eat hard things. Only soft and solubles are eaten by old people. So how the Father William managed to eat such hard things, and what's the reason behind such a strong jaws he has? So let us see how Father William replied to his son. In my youth, said his father, I took to the law and argued each case with my wife, and the muscular strength which it gave to me, my jaw, has lasted the rest of my life. So Father William replied to his son that when he was young, he followed one law, one rule in his life, that he usually discussed every issue with his wife, and arguing in such a way with his wife gives a muscular strength to his jaws, and that muscular strength is still he has at such a old age. After listening his father, still the young boy doesn't stop. He again questioned his father and reminded him again about his old age. Let us see what he said. You are old, said the youth. One would hardly suppose that your eye was as steady as ever. Yet you balanced an eel on the end of your nose. What made you so awfully clever? So in this stanza, the son questioned his father about his steady eyes, about the eyesight of Father William. He is asking that how he managed to have such a good eyesight at this old age, which is very unusual at this age. So he is asking, how is it possible for you to have such a steady vision, you have such a steady eyesight at this age, and as if it is so much steady that you are so capable that you can in fact balance an eel. Eel is an fish, very thin shaky fish it is, and as if Father William can manage and to balance that eel, that fish, on the tip of his nose. It's just a comparison. He is not practically going to balance an eel, but here it is just trying to explain the good eyesight of Father William by his son, that how is it possible for Father William to manage such a good vision, such a good eyesight, how you are doing such in such a way. Let us read the last stanza of the poem. I have answered 3 questions and that is enough, said his father. Don't give yourself airs. Do you think I can listen all day to such stuff? Be off, or I will kick you downstairs. So, in the last stanza, Father William got little bit impatient because of the questions asked by his son. Now, he is warning his son and telling him that I have already answered 3 questions, and now that is almost enough. That means Father William don't want to answer anymore. Now he is warning his son to go away, as he is not enough, he don't have enough time, he don't have whole day for responding his son, for answering his son. So he is telling his son to go away, otherwise he would kick him. Okay, so as in the last stanza, it is a little bit Father William got impatient. He don't want to answer his son now. He got little bit irritated, and he want his son to not to question anymore. Otherwise, be ready for the consequences. So with this, I'm going to end this video now. Thank you.